Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer the memory card from one mobile phone to another mobile phone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to two of the same mobile phones. For this tutorial, we are using the Samsung Galaxy A10s. We also need a SIM card ejecting tool. Let's now bring everything into the frame. This is the new mobile phone. This is the old mobile phone. And this is the SIM card ejecting tool. Let's now turn our attention to the first mobile phone, which we will be extracting the memory card from. Let's remove the 32GB memory card SanDisk. Slot this back into the phone. Turn our attention to the new mobile phone. Has to be turned off. SIM card slot tool. This is the memory card. Insert into this like this. The SIM is in, the memory card is in. Insert into the phone. Let's now turn on the phone and wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Everything saved onto the memory card from the previous phone should now be transferred to the brand new mobile phone. All the data, the information, photos, videos. Let's go to settings. Tap here to transfer the media files that are currently on the S card. Yes. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.